Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Glossier package. I'm super excited. I've tried their makeup out before, but I wanted to try their skincare line because they do have like a lot of different things. They have like face masks, face washes, a lot of skincare. So I decided I was going to try them out. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. I opened it up, and right when you open the box, this is what you see. You see the Glossier, see the Glossier logo, and then all the stuff inside. And I still have my other Glossier box from when I ordered from them last time, just because the boxes are so cute. I just love them. The first thing I got was these samples. I decided to get the Cloud Paint samples because it was either Cloud Paints, their jelly cleanser, and I think their moisturizer. So I decided to get the Cloud Paints just because I haven't tried these ones. These are the shades Puff and Storm. So I'm be really excited to try these out. I see right here, it's a sticker. I'm actually super excited about this because I ordered from them last time and I didn't get a sticker, and I remember I was kind of sad about that. So now I have a Glossier sticker. This one's so cute. It's like reflective. Okay, now on to the things that I actually ordered. So there's the first thing I got, which is the Glossier Cotton Rounds. They just look like this, and I didn't know they were gonna have this packaging, which is really cool. These were $4, which is, I think, a good price for 60 of them. And so I already cut it open, and they have the little G for Glossier, which I think is so adorable. So yeah, $4 for 60 of them isn't bad. Okay, so it is the Glossier Solution Exfoliating Skin Protector, and I already cut it open, and it just looks like this. So when you get it, it'll come in this little plastic container. Just pop that out, and here it is. It smells kind of lemony, I would say. I've been wanting to try this out for a really long time just because people say it helps with like acne scars and smoothing your skin. So I'm really happy I got this because I've been wanting to try that out. In the bag, I got the Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser, and it just looks like this. And I've also been wanting to try this for a very long time, but I've had like my go-to face wash like every single time I wash my face. It's the same face wash, and it's worked great for me, but it's like getting to the point where it's hard to find now. And I tried ordering it online and they didn't have it. It didn't pop up. So I don't know if they're just like not making it anymore, or if they just like ran out of the stuff to make it. I have no idea. But I decided I would try out the Glossier one just because I've heard some good things about it and how it makes people's skin really soft. Yeah, these two together, I recommend getting them in a set, and they'll be $34. I know this by itself is $18, or you can get the mini size for $9. So $18 or $9 for the travel size, or you can get the acne solution and the face wash for $34, which is what I did. I think I'm going to make a video about the results I get from using these products because I have a skincare routine, but I still like break out and all that stuff. So I'm going to make a video on these. I'm going to try them out for a week. By the time this video gets posted, it's probably gonna be like my third day trying these out. But yeah, I'm gonna post like a week update of me trying these products out, and I'll tell you guys how my skin reacted and like all that stuff. But that is it for today's video, and if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!